the 10 soaps most effective to lighten and whitening your skin.
Reminder. This 10 products that will shown in this video is not only picked randomly but we surely base on effectiveness, authenticity, price and having most effective feedback and reviews only.
This 10 products shown in this video will help you to find the most cheapest and most effective products in all time. Please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to Flawless Tips channel and ring the notification bell.
Number 10.
Soul White Korea is a proudly Filipino brand that brings innovative K-beauty concepts into products that are specifically designed for the Filipina skin.
Number 9.
Glutamax soap is the first and only soap in the Philippines to harness the power of nano-white technology, a safe, effective, and very powerful innovation in skin whitening. Thankfully, with new technologies, everyone can now achieve glowing and even skin tone at a more reasonable cost.
Number 8.
Perla is also hypoallergenic to our skin, so no need to worry about your loved ones getting allergies or rashes. But for more extra care on your delicate hands, they now even have the Perla Papaya variant with papaya extract.
Number 7.
Silka Papaya has many vitamins and therefore good for your skin. Silka Papaya soap is one of best-selling soap in Philippines. Papaya removes dead skin cells. It also contains vitamin E to make the skin soft and smooth.
Number 6.
The new Bello Intensive Whitening Bar combines the power of kojic acid, tranexamic acid and lemon scrubs. As many of you may have already experienced, the kojic acid and tranexamic acid combo are efficient actives that are clinically proven to whiten skin 64% better than products that contain kojic acid alone.
Number 5.
Gluta-C Papaya Soap is known for its safe and effective skincare whitening products. Introduces Gluta-C Intense Whitening Underarm and Bikini Skin Whitening Gel, a revolutionary new product that addresses multiple dark problem areas such as underarms, bikini, elbows, knees.
Number 4.
Lyca's Papaya Soap claims to whiten skin with regular use. It contains papain extract, which is a natural enzyme from papaya that promotes skin cell renewal. Lyca's Papaya Soap exfoliates your dead skin cells, removing old skin that could be sun damaged. This exposes your new skin cells, which are lighter in appearance.
Number 3.
Placenta Papaya. It is considered an effective skin firmer, lifter and hydrator. It also treats acne-prone skin and skin that has been damaged from over-exfoliation. The stem cells derived from sheep placenta are also used for their anti-aging properties as they promote collagen production and increase skin elasticity.
Number 2.
C.Y. Gabriel Papaya. It is considered an effective skin firmer, lifter and hydrator. It also treats acne-prone skin and skin that has been damaged from over-exfoliation. The stem cells derived from sheep placenta are also used for their anti-aging properties as they promote collagen production and increase skin elasticity.
Number 1.
Goji San Skin Whitening Soap is effective in diminishing dark spots, freckles and acne, stretch marks, uneven skin tone and other skin tone disorder.